Understanding the vestibular, proprioceptive, and interoceptive. So, itong topic na to is hindi masyado siya known sa karamihan. So, itatackle ko siya sa inyo. So, ang katawan ng tao ay nagre-rely on multiple sensory system to perceive and interact with the environment. Among these, the vestibular, proprioceptive, and interoceptive systems play crucial roles in balance, body awareness, and internal regulation. These systems work together to ensure coordinated movement, posture, and homeostasis. Vestibular system. So, the vestibular system is responsible for balance, spatial orientation, and coordination. It informs the brain about motion, head position, and spatial orientation. So, example, staying balanced while walking, feeling dizzy after spinning, and sensing motion in an elevator. It is located in the inner ear. The vestibular system detects rational and linear movements. Key roles: maintains balance and posture, stabilize vision during movement, and coordinate head and body movements. Dysfunction signs: dizziness or vertigo, poor balance, and motion sickness. Proprioceptive system. Proprioception is the sense of body position and movement. It helps the brain understand where body parts are in space without looking. For example, when you close your eyes and touch your nose with your finger, your proprioceptive system helps guide your hand to the right location even though you can't see it. Key roles: maintains posture and motor control, supports coordinated movement, allows movement without visual cues. Dysfunction signs: clumsiness or frequent falls, difficulty with coordination, poor body awareness. Interoceptive system. Interoception is the sense of the internal state of the body. It helps monitor internal bodily function such as hunger, thirst, heart rate, and emotional stress. For example, feeling your heartbeat speed up when you're nervous is an example of interoceptive system experience. Your brain is interpreting signals from inside your body to inform you how you're feeling. Key roles: regulates physiological states, example, hunger, fatigue, and temperature. Influences emotional awareness and self-regulation. Alerts to bodily needs, example, need to use the restroom. Dysfunction signs: difficulty recognizing internal cues, poor emotional regulation, anxiety or panic disorders. In conclusion, the vestibular, proprioceptive, and interoceptive systems are foundational to bodily awareness, regulation, and interaction with the environment. Understanding these systems is crucial in fields like occupational therapy, neurology, and education, particularly with supporting individuals with sensory processing disorders. So, yun lang. Thank you.